Okay, now share the screen.
So last we will do JavaScript program practice.
The JavaScript program will continue. Okay. Just told me I am giving you the next topic. Yes. Okay, so JavaScript. Now we are doing JavaScript
Yes.
conditional statement that we are
Yes.
actually doing. So let's start with the if-else statement.
Okay.
In the if-else statement, there are if, if-else, and if-else if. There are three statements there.
Else statement.
Yes. If-else, and if-else if. Three statements.
Okay.
So these are the called conditional operators, because whether the condition is actually true or false.
Okay.
Let's start with basic. Yes.
Write it down. Even or odd number. If
Yes.
and else statement.
If a whatever the number is say, then if a is divided by 2, then it will be even number, that is true, or it will be odd number, that is false. And a equals to 20, so a should be even number.
Yes.
A is even. Yes. This is the condition actually, a is even or odd.
Yes.
Now JavaScript if else if statement.
Yes.
Here A equals to 10, A is equal to 10. If A equals to 15, then A equal to 15. If A equals to actually 20, then A equal to 20. These are three condition: if, else if, and else.
Yes.
Yes, or if the three condition will not satisfy, then actually it will
Yes.
print A is not equal to 10, 15, or 20.
Yes. If condition is not satisfied.
Yes. Then the last condition will be printed. Okay, can you run the previous code?
Okay. Is equal to 20.
Is equal to 20. Yes. You can change this. A equals to 20, you can change and see what the output comes. And here, what is var? Var is actually one variable. Var is one
What?
kind of variable. Var, late,
One
and
variable.
constant. Yes, yes, that's the one kind of variable. Sorry, not variable, it's a data type. Var, data type. Var, late, and constant. These are the three data types.
10, 15, 20.
Yes. There are three kind of data type in JavaScript: var, late, and constant.
Okay.
Var is for globally actually. When we use var is actually when globally we use. Late is used for the locally. Late is used for the locally, and constant is used for the inside any block actually. Inside any function or inside any block, we can use constant. That constant means actually, but late also we use in the block, but constant actually it will be used for the mainly for default value if we define.
Yes.
Suppose constant A equals to 20, then the value cannot be changed. Okay, then we do next. Now we will do the switch statement.
Switch?
Statement.
Okay.
Switch statement. The switch statement is actually used to execute one code from multiple expression.
Okay.
Switch statement is actually used to execute one code from multiple expression. It is just like if else, but but it cannot be used with numbers or characters. So basically, it is another conditional statement, switch statement. Example.
Okay.
Here you can see
A3
var
to
grade. Yes. And third condition is C is no grade actually. And in each and every component, there is one break tag actually. Is there.
Okay.
There are 3 break tags there. Line number 10, line number 13, and line number 17. Sorry, 16. So there are 3 break tag means when we execute that program, the compiler will first come to the first condition. After that, it will break. Then it satisfied the condition, then it is okay. The loop will break. If they're not satisfied, then it will come to the case B. After that, it will come to the case C. And then that is default result is no good. That will okay now. No, run. You can check. You already run.
Yes.
You already run that previous program.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now we'll do another example of switch case. Similar kind of example. Okay, can you see this is the external JS file or the internal JS file? Can you tell?
Yes.
Today, this example, these are the example, the JavaScript is internal JavaScript or the external JavaScript? I mean, in this JavaScript file, is actually the internal JavaScript file or the external JavaScript file?
Internal.
Yes, definitely. It is internal JavaScript file because what is external actually? If we mention here src equals to skip.js and then we can make another JavaScript file separately. In the separate file, we can code in a JavaScript.
Okay.
That is called the external JavaScript file. For the external JavaScript, we need to make two files. One is .html, another is .js. But this is the internal file. Okay, now we go to the loops. Loop means there are four loops actually. For loop, while loop, do while loop, and for loop.
Yeah.
First is JavaScript for loop. JavaScript for loop actually retain the elements for the fixed number of times.
Yes.
And it should be used if the number of iteration is known. I mean, number of looping or the number of iteration is known, then the for loop is used.
Um,
Next, go from the loop.
yeah. This is the for loop condition. This is the conditional statement.
Yes, yes, yes. This is the looping actually. Yeah, this is the one kind of condition also. If I equals to
Yeah,
1,
yes.
I less than
In,
equals to 5, and I
in the
plus
Python
plus.
also, this loop also, everything is there.
Okay, okay. Python also the same loops.
Okay, yes, sir. If else and for loop, everything is there.
I think in the conditional statement, the Java Python actually it is the languages are same actually, I think. Okay, now we do the while loop.
Yes.
Yes, now 7. It is 11 and 15. So 11 to 15 it will put. Auto save already there. Just record. Yes. Now I'll do JavaScript functions actually. That is the main thing in JavaScript. There are so many functions are actually there. Many inbuilt functions or many user user given functions there in JavaScript.
Built-in and user given.
Yes, yes. And JavaScript functions have two advantage that is called code reusability. We can call a function several times and less coding. So the less complexity actually will be there if we use the function actually. Okay, now we start the call function. Here the message function is there. Alert, hello, this is message. This message will actually
Then person.
yes. In the moment you click the function, then alert box will come. That is called message. Then on click message function and then value call function. We call the message function. Call means in the moment you click the button, the message will pop up. Next.
Get Q.
Yes, the key actually. The next function example, the return function.
This is the return function. Self-return.
Okay, now JavaScript object function.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is the ID and name and his salary.
Yes, yes. These are the objects actually. Name, employee, name and ID and salary. Now we will create the object. After creating the object, we will define the value of the parameters.
Yeah. This is the object oriented. Yeah.
There's a new object. So EMP is the object. And then ID, name, salary, you're taking 3 parameters. And after that, the
Yes.
3 parameters print. Now you are using the construct. This is the object constructor.
Sir, I can't input multiple employee ID and multiple names in it.
Yes, yes, you can do that.
Okay.
Yes, you can do that definitely. Just go to file and just auto save. That's why every time you need to save. Okay, auto save is already there. Okay.
Yeah. Sir, it is two part.
No. It is
Oh,
a
this is
separate program.
it's
Yes,
another one.
another program.
Okay.
Yeah. These are the three. New employee, 103, and the name and the salary. ID, name, and salary. And another thing is if salary is changed, so this is the function is change salary. Line number 16. Change salary, and after that, ID, name, and salary. And salary will be actually changed from 30,000 to 45,000.
Okay. Okay, is change salary we can change.
Yes. Change salary, then 45,000 is the value.
Yes.
And there are so many object methods are there. Assign method, and next there is create method. Next is define property method, define properties method.
Define function.
Yes, these are the object methods. Example of object methods. You can write in the notebook, notepad. There is so many object methods. That is called assign method, create method, define property method, entries method, freeze method. So many methods are there actually. Now so we'll start the JavaScript array. JavaScript array. There is
Yes.
a collect JavaScript array. We will do.
Okay.
JavaScript array is a collection of arrays. Array is a collection of characters. And JavaScript array is an object that represents a collection of similar type of elements.
Yes.
And there are three ways to construct array: by literal, and by creating instance of an array directly using new keyword, and another is by using the array constructor. These are the three ways we can create the array: by using constructor, by using array directly, and by creating the instance, or and by literal. So the first JavaScript array literal. Yes, the three name actually print. The three names are actually the elements of an array. Line number 4. These are the three elements of an array.
Yes.
Okay, next is directly how we can use the array. So directly we can use the array.
Varun.
Okay, next. Now we are doing the construct using the array. We are using the construct. And the next, that we are using JavaScript string now.
Yes. String function.
Yes, the JavaScript string. String actually represent a sequence of characters.
Yes.
And here also we can use create the string by two things, by string literal and string object. Is a string method actually. Yes. So here actually in JavaScript is one kind of string. So in the string,
Yeah.
the position number 2 actually indicate. So what is the position number 2 in array? The always the position number index number, that is index number is 0 actually, starting at 0.
Yes.
So J is 0, A is 1, and B is 2. That's
Yes.
why the
He is
V will
to.
be print.
Yes.
Mm. Next, string concatenation. I mean, we have two words or two sentence. We need to add this or merge this actually. Concatenate means basically merge. Okay. Next, JavaScript string. There is the index of a string method actually. Index of operator. Index of operator means actually we have one sentence, and inside one sentence we can use one word actually, and the position number, that is called index. This is the JavaScript from index of. So here actually from.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next, now we'll do the lowercase method. Lowercase means suppose you write, you can write simply one example or simply one sentence, and all the letters will be small automatically if you use the to lower function. This to lower to upper function also there in Python.
Yes. Yeah. Is
That
there uppercase, lowercase? Yes. The uppercase, the capitalized. It
Mhm.
is there
Okay.
anything you have to? Yeah.
And a similar way, if you go to uppercase, then it will go to the uppercase.
Yeah.
Okay, now trim actually is very important method. Trim.
It means it got.
Yes, yes.
Oh, before this is got.
Yes. S2 is the variable.
JavaScript was string.
Yes, that is string. Okay, there is another tree method is there. Yes, this is the actual another tree method. Here we can use the ID actually. The ID is demo
What?
and document. Here ID is demo. We can use the ID here. Line number 8, ID equals to demo, and after that line number 14, get even by ID demo. Demo is our ID.
Yes.
We're gonna use the stream start method.
Yes.
Stream start method. Yes, now run. Okay, just one run again.
Run.
Yes, it's run again. Stream start method, link x22 and text to 70. Yes.
Is the stream start.
It's a stream start function. And here next is JavaScript string trim end. Actually, the trim end is actually the latest features of JavaScript, and the trim end methods works like trim, but removes the white space only from the end of the string. if you use the white space after the word, after the string, then actually it will remove the white space. Hmm. Okay. Next is JavaScript pad start. Next method is JavaScript pad start. Actually, pad start means method what it can do. Suppose I have let text equals to 5. So if you give the pad start and it's a convert into a string method. Okay, now I give you the example. Actually, there are so many functions there in JavaScript, so many inbuilt function or in user-defined function. Pad start method pads a string with another string. Now next up string character at. That means char at actually is another new function. The char method returns the character at a specified index or the position actually in a string. Suppose you have one string and inside that string it returns the character at a specified position. This is the caret actually ID demo, and we have taken hello world, one sentence, and then demo hello text caret 0.
Okay.
Okay, now run this. This is the hello. The first letter of the hello, it will be the H character at 0. Next is character code add method. What is the function of the character code add method? The character code add method returns the Unicode of the character at a specified index. It basically returns the Unicode of the character
Yes.
at a specified index. The character code in our run. Okay, this is another example. This is the property access on strings. We can also write here in line number 12, document.getEvent by ID demo dot inner stream equals to string 0. Okay, now run this. Property access on string H. Okay, this
This
is
is
some
the
node.
0. It is
Yes,
age is starting from 0.
yes, it's starting from 0. Here actually a
Yes.
note is there. Property access might be a little unpredictable because it makes strings look like arrays. But string is not the array. And the second thing is if no character is found, then returns undefined, while caret returns an empty string. If there is no character is found, then the return will be undefined, obviously, and then caret function returns an empty string.
Yes.
Another thing is that it is read only. String str then 0, actually this gives no error actually.
Yes.
Now into JavaScript string search actually. String. We have done the index now.
Yes.
Next. Index of members. Now we'll do the Java string search example. Search basically it is one kind of function, search function. JavaScript string includes. Now we have we do the include method. There's actually so many methods there. Include method.
Yes, sir.
Here the includes method is not subject. Okay, there's one paragraph we will leave written. After that, the text is hello world, welcome to the universe. And the
Yes.
next is demo. It includes world. We can now run this.
Yeah.
Already it included the world. That's why it is written true. Because hello world, so that's world what is already been included.
We'll go to the reverse.
Yes. Okay. And it is another is ends with method because it is the same, just like the starts with. Starts with is the method, the same thing is ends with also the same thing is doing. Okay, now quotes inside the strings.